Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and full of energy. But for millions, snoring and sleep apnea steal this simple joy. Sleep is vital for our health, yet many unknowingly struggle due to snoring and sleep apnea, especially as we age. Snoring isn't just an annoying noise. It could be a warning sign of obstructive sleep apnea, a serious health condition. Snoring happens when airflow is partially blocked during sleep, causing vibrations in the throat and nose. While occasional snoring is harmless, habitual snoring can indicate sleep apnea, affecting 57% of men and 40% of women. Factors like age, weight, sleep position, nasal congestion, and alcohol consumption can all contribute to snoring. Obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, is the most common type of sleep apnea, where throat muscles relax too much, blocking the airway. 1 in 4 U.S. adults unknowingly suffer from OSA, with symptoms often mistaken for poor sleep or stress. Signs of sleep apnea include loud snoring, gasping for air, pauses in breathing, morning headaches, and excessive daytime sleepiness. Untreated sleep apnea can lead to serious health risks like heart disease, stroke, brain damage, and worsening diabetes. Sleep apnea also impacts relationships, causing sleep disturbances that can lead to sleep divorce and marital tension. Risk factors for sleep apnea include age, weight, neck circumference, gender, family history, smoking, and alcohol use. If you suspect sleep apnea, seek professional evaluation. A sleep study can monitor your breathing, heart rate, and oxygen levels overnight. CPAP therapy is a common treatment, but many find the device uncomfortable, prompting a search for alternative solutions. Lifestyle changes like weight loss, sleeping on your side, avoiding alcohol, and treating nasal congestion can reduce snoring and sleep apnea. Natural remedies, including herbal supplements, offer non-invasive ways to improve sleep quality and reduce snoring. Introducing Sleep Breathing, a new herbal supplement from BergaMet, designed to support respiratory function and relaxation. Sleep breathing contains herbs like lobelia, thyme, chamomile, cramp bark, and meadowsweet to improve airflow and reduce snoring. These herbs work together to keep airways open naturally, helping you achieve deeper, more restorative sleep without machines. Don't let snoring or sleep apnea steal your life. Take control of your sleep with natural solutions like sleep breathing. Ready to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated? Try sleep breathing today and start your journey to better sleep now.